Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, August 21st, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, let's get started here. We have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up $4 to 28.62.5 per contract. All in all, the futures are off the best levels, but nonetheless, they're still in positive territory today. Volume yesterday was anemic, and I expect we're going to get light volume again today, so we'll see how today plays out. But one thing we have lots of stocks in the news. So let's get started here. We're going to take a look at JM Schmucker first. SJM is the ticker symbol. Stock right now is trading at 113.02. It closed at 115.87. So this is a good little downtick after earnings. I don't know where this is going to go. It's been all over the map. It went as high as 118 this morning, down as low as 111. If it gets to 107.50, I really like the level there. Maybe 107.60. We'll adjust it once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. But right now, I'm really unsure where this thing is going to go. But again, if it does get down to that 107.60, 107.50 area, I do think there is a lot of support there for an intraday bounce, but we'll keep it on the radar. So JM Schmucker in play today. Let's take a look at Toll Brothers. Ticker symbol is TOL. Stock right now is trading at 37.95. So all of a sudden, when you look at this name, there's a nice little uptick from the close. Closed at 34.73. So this is a good little pop. I'm going to have gap resistance levels ready to go before the opening bell in the intraday stock chat room. We also want to watch Lennar. This will trade in sympathy to Toll Brothers, so keep that on the radar as well. LEN, that will trade in sympathy. You can see that's up as well this morning. This has been a beaten down home builder, but it is catching a bid in sympathy to Toll Brothers today. Let's take a look at Kohl Stores. KSS is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at 76.41, closed at 78.85. So this is pulling back a little bit. Again, this stock was kind of parabolic on the bigger time frames, so not a shock to see it pull back after earnings a little. Again, we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Nothing I would do with it here, though. We'll wait on that and we'll see where it goes. But right now, sit tight. I'll have some levels. I'll try to work out some levels by the opening bell for this one. Next up, we have MDT, which is Medtronic. MDT right now trading at $94. It closed at $90.03. This is a great little move. The only thing I would say, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. We'll see how it plays out. But that is a very, very nice pop this morning ahead of the opening bell. I believe this is a new all-time high for Medtronic. Next up, we want to take a look at Nordson. NDSN is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at 124.26. Closed at 134.69. So this is a good 10-point haircut right there. I probably will work out a little level for this. I'm leaning towards 122.25 to 122 as support. The one thing I will say, this stock rarely trades a million shares a day. In fact, on average, probably trades about 200,000 to 300,000 a day. So this thing has overshoot properties. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to stick to the level. So you got to be careful with it. Definitely comes with much higher risk. Let's take a look at Symantec, SYMC. Looks like this was upgraded today. Stock right now is trading at 1971, closed at 1936. I'm not going to make too much out of that upgrade, but we'll see how it plays out. Also on the upgrade side, we have Discovery, DISCA is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at 28.61, closed at 27.92, so good little pop there. This thing looks like it wants to run up to that $30 level. We'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at Hertz Rent-A-Car, or HTZ Global as it's called now. Stock right here is trading at $20.47. It closed at 21.05. Looks like the CFO will resign, so we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at Cree. Cree looks like they did a secondary offering. Stock right now is trading at $45, closed at $46.43. So this is a good little haircut. There's still a fair amount of support around $44, but if that breaks, this thing can go much lower. So be careful. Secondaries, you never know how they're going to play out. Sit back and let it play out for the first 30-40 minutes. Then we'll evaluate it in the intraday stock chat room today. Let's take a look at a few of these online brokerage firms. Ameritrade, AMTD getting hammered this morning. I'm going to have levels for this one. SCHW, Charles Schwab, getting hammered Again, I'll have a level for that one. E-Trade Financial, ETFC, getting hammered this morning. All of these are down because JP Morgan says they're going to introduce an app that will offer 100 free stock trades. So again, online brokerage firms getting hit by this news from JP Morgan. JPM again will introduce an app that will offer 100 free stock trades. And let's take a look at JPM. That is definitely disrupting the online brokers. And you can see JPM catching a nice bid this morning, trading at 115.35. But I'm going to put levels up in the intraday stock chat room for Ameritrade and Schwab. E-Trade we'll have to look at once the opening bell rings. But I did do the math on Ameritrade and Schwab already. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold caught a bid yesterday. It's catching a little bit of a bid today, up $3.10. Right now it's trading at $1,197.70 an ounce. So gold, nice little counter trend bounce. Gold trend has been down in gold for a while, and it is catching a bid. What's the catalyst? Got to be a weaker dollar. U.S. dollar index coming down a little bit, and that is helping out gold. Let's go over to the oil market. Crude oil trading up 48 cents to $45.91 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF, track the movement in crude oil, you'll see that is moving higher, trading at $13.85 this morning. So the dollar down, you're getting a bid in gold, you're getting a bid in oil, and we'll see how it all shakes out and plays out by the time the day ends today. So all in all, this should be a pretty fun session. We got lots of stocks in the news, and once again, if you haven't done so, we're having a sensational 2018. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything that we're doing in there. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.